Hello everyone, I am Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we solve another question, and this question has been taken from the CAT 2023 exams slot 1. Now the question is as follows. Gita sells two objects A and B at the same price such that she makes a profit of 20% on object A and a loss of 10% on object B. If she increases the selling price such that objects A and B are still sold at the equal price and a profit of 10% is made on object B, then the profit made on object A will be nearest to. Now we are provided four options for this question. Option A 42%, option B 47%, option C 45%, and option D 49%. So this was our question, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that I've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, we are given that Gita sells two objects A and B at the same price. Now let's take the two objects A and B. Now we are given that she makes a profit of 20% on object A and a loss of 10% on object B. So let's take the cost price of A as 100x and the cost price of B as 100y. Now it is given that she makes a profit of 20% on object A. So the selling price of object A is equal to 120x and the selling price of object B is given as she makes a loss of 10% on object B. So we can take it as 90y. So the cost price and the selling price of A and B is given. Now it is given that if she increases the selling price such that objects A and B are still sold at an equal price, then a profit of 10% is made on object B. Now according to the given question, 120x is equal to 90y. So we can say that y is equal to 4x by 3, because if 120x is equal to 90y, we can say that 4x is equal to 3y. So from that we have calculated y is equal to 4x by 3. Now let's take the new selling price as 100z. Now according to our given question, it is given that according to the new price, she makes a profit of 10% on object B. So a profit of 10% on object B is equal to 10y. So the new selling price is equal to 110y and it is equal to 100z according to our given question. So from this we can calculate the value of y, which is equal to 10z by 11. Now we have the value of y in terms of z and in terms of x. So let's take the value of z in terms of x. So from here, if we equate this part and this part, you will get that the value of z is equal to 44x by 30. Now we have to calculate the profit made on object A with the new selling price. So with this, the new selling price will be equal to 100z, or it is equal to 4400x by 30, and upon calculation it is coming as 146.67x, and the profit is equal to 46.67x. Now we have to calculate the profit nearest to. Now the cost price was 100x and the selling price is 146.67x. So the profit is equal to 46.67x, or the percentage is also the same. So that's the benefit of taking the terms in terms of 100. Now the nearest value to this is equal to option B, 47%. So this is how you solve the questions on profit and loss. You take the cost price, you calculate the selling price, and then find out what is given in the question and then solve the problem step by step. So according to this question, our option is option B, 46.67%, and it is nearest to 47%.